Hi, my name is Alicia. I am the owner of Mint Condition Digital. Today I'm going to be talking about the 5 ways that you can measure ROI using social media. So there are 5 different ways that you measure your ROI, and then there is also a 5-step process on how we figure out how well your ad campaigns are doing and if you need to tweak something or if it's all working the way that you want it to. So the 5 different ways that you can measure your ROI are through online sales, leads, app downloads, email subscriptions, and then regular downloads. So between these 5 things, as a business owner and running this campaign, you'll need to figure out which one makes the most sense for your business at that time and for the advertisement that you're running. For example, if you are a real estate agent or possibly a hairstylist, somebody that needs to set appointments and talk to new people in order to get more sales and to get new clients, then your goal may be to get more leads. So if you're running an ad campaign and your ad is to try and get online sales, it doesn't match up with your business and your industry. So you want to fit it into what your business is about, what your industry is about, and how you can bring in more revenue for your business. So the first way that you figure this out is you need to write down your goals. So what are your goals as a business owner, and what are your goals for this specific ad campaign? So for example, say we are talking about an online boutique that runs advertisements through Instagram and through Facebook, maybe even through YouTube. Then you will want to track your goal based on online sales. Once somebody clicks on the ad from Instagram, you want to be able to track it knowing that they made a purchase on the website, and that would be a measurable, attainable ROI for you. The second step is to figure out a monetary value. So what this means is that when you are deciding on how much you're willing to pay per lead, per customer, or per app download, you need to be able to know how much that customer is potentially worth for you. So for example, if you know that each customer you attain is going to be a lifetime customer most likely, and a lifetime customer brings in X amount of money, then you know that that customer, getting one customer from this advertisement, will make you X amount of money. Now ideally you're going to get about a 1 to 2% return on your investment, sometimes higher, but that's what you can expect for most advertisements online. So your monetary value needs to figure in how much each customer is worth to you. It's a customer acquisition rate. Then the third thing is you need to be able to track this. So a lot of marketing is actually tracking your data. And I know that sounds silly, I know it sounds crazy, but when you don't track your data, you're basically wasting money. You're wasting your time on Facebook, you're wasting your email campaigns, you're wasting all the money that you paid somebody to build your website if you have no idea what's working for you and what's not working for you. Now sometimes your customers are going to be on Facebook, sometimes your customers are going to be on Google, sometimes your customers are going to use Craigslist, sometimes they're going to be on Snapchat or Instagram or a combination of a few things, but most likely based on their age group and based on what they're interested in, you can figure out what platform they use the most or what area online they use the most. The third part of this is figuring out your investment. So your investment equals your tools plus your time plus your advertising budget. So if you are hiring a company, for example, to build your ad campaigns, write your copy, create your video, and actually build your ad inside of a Facebook ad manager or using YouTube or Google SEO, then or Google AdWords, you can switch the tools and the time to be the amount that you spend paying somebody to do this service for you. If you're a DIYer and you want to do it yourself and you want to learn yourself, then you need to figure out how much is your time worth, what tools are you using. Do you use Photoshop? Do you use Canva? Do you use Adobe Spark? Do you need to pay for different training programs so that you know kind of what you need to look for and what you need to create? Anything that makes up the foundation of what you create for your advertisement or how you run your organic posts on social media is going to be your tools. So those are your software programs, your training programs, etc. Then you need to add in your time. How much is your time worth? And then you need to add in your advertising budget. So if your advertising budget is, say, $500 a month, for example, then that needs to be added into your investment every single month. So these are the 5 steps that it takes to measure ROI using social media. If you have any questions, you can go ahead and contact us on our website, mintconditiondigital.com, or you can also comment on this video and I'll go ahead and send you a message or comment back.